Hey, if you're new to this channel, I would just like you to hit that subscribe button. If you're not, I would just like you to hit that notification bell. Check out the channel with lots of other awesome content. You can find us at you can find me on Instagram at Tata Skits. I do comedy sketches and yeah. So that's it. Yeah.
People, welcome to another Young Progressive video. If you're not subscribed already, click the subscribe button, like the comment, yeah, and do the whole of that. So today now we are gonna do some reaction videos, see me? Straight to it.
Let's get ready to
Them first two thumb the LT now, you know, say the war is on, you know, man. See me I say? Yeah. No matter for that baby that need to get a Mother of the Year award, you see me? It's like, for who don't know what that mean, it means I joke me like. Yo, the summer hot, but jeez, ladies, could I find a beach, you know? Nah, for jump, really? In a gully? For some reason, I find this kind of sexy.
What the fuck? That be nice. Them don't make fights like them used to, you know what I mean? Where's that crouching tiger, monkey fist, flying crane and them fuckery that them used to make? Them don't make them no more like where them bad finishing they like in a Mortal Kombat. Them may attack. Some finish him, some fatality. Them thing them. Oh, see that? Oh my God!
Flawless victory.
No. I said, she not here. Alright, see that? Flying monkey!
Finish it.
Yeah. Alright, that's it. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and all of them shit there. Yeah. Stay tuned. We have more mad video for drop, isn't it? What I mean. Yes, so one people there back again like this.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. So thanks to subscribers them and things.
Hungry.
What?
You think of food my gun cook, a weed my gun.
Yes, eh? You not subscribing? So we are waiting for brother see button they click subscribe no man and just like, comment and share with everyone. The moment you all been waiting for. Wait. Editor, stop. Give me an instant replay upon that mission. Cut, yeah.
I'm so we gon' we about all my niggas really gang bang, talk that damn slang.
No go on in a favor, idiot.
Yo, nobody with it, yo.
Alright. That did alright.
In case you haven't noticed, I'm weird. I'm a weirdo.
just see one more time talk to you. You want to touch me? Touch me if I feel like a man.
Lick you. Lick me, ass ring ring. Lick you, ring ring.
No man.
Lick you, say ring ring.
No man.
Lick you, ring ring. What's that? Lick your back, ring ring. What's that? Lick your back, ring ring. What's that? Lick the ring ring. Yes, ring ring. Lick the ring ring. Lick
Shut up your mouth, man.
Yes, ring ring. Lick your black ring ring. Just the fuck with you. I come from planet Earth. Lick him, ring ring. Lick him, ring ring. Lick him, ring ring. Yes, ring ring. Lick him. What's ring ring? What? Go get him. Lick him. Lick him, ring ring. Lick him, ring ring. Yes, ring ring. I am ring ring. Yes, ring ring. Yes, ring ring, ring ring. Glass, be camera with the shot glass. Yes, ring ring. Ring ring. Nothing.
Interesting. Let me.
Shining hard, go we back up. Rose gold from your neck up. You know the longest not to try to check us.
It's the same. See the sun, you gon' see the rain. Throughout all of this we remain. I owe my heart, I give my praise. Oh, Jah deliver me through these days.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this.
And this is why I tell them on them, stop breaking girl pitting them on.
Never had been seeing this yet.
Something alright.
To a go on in the world, I know. You better you go your bed.
Something alright.
Oh my God! It had done them in a idiot.
Oh my God.
I'm a mascot.
You do.
Break the cycle.
I wonder them big one here, what? Eh? I ostrich them too? All of them are ostrich. Wow!
I better she did say hostage, cause it come like somebody kidnap for your common sense them. Which part you see ostrich there so mama? Where?
What a sight.
I for one am opposed to these ladies taking men for idiot. When a man has had enough, my advice to him is leave.
Go and tell people, pack up your things them and left. That girl ain't mean no good. Me not like see girl take people boy up in the feed ya. A beer bun she a give up. She a fuck the crab man and she a fuck the taxi man. I'll give that boy she a fuck.
If I'm mango, you know what? Who call me name?
She not no mission. Go and tell people. Better your life. Go and make your mother your talk.
Somebody come and look at this. Look at
Tell
this.
people. Go on. Where did you go? You do what?
So let me get this right. I'ma move on.
Nah, no mission. Go and tell people. Better your life. Go and make your mother your tell people. Go on.
And she a fall for him all over again.
Somebody come and look at this.
Where did you go?
Note to self. Don't make the man that wear a video know my business.
You do what?
Too many times I have seen how this is about to end.
Somebody come and look at this.
Hear about David slew Goliath? Well, let me introduce you to Cateth slew Grandpaeth.
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
Me know him wish him never bother trouble like that. Me I tell him.
To a go on the world, I know. You better you go your bed.
Me wouldn't want to play football with that cat there.
Never had been seen this yet.
Perfect.
Somebody come and look at this.
I'm mascot.
Years of food and Karachi class finally pay off. Fatty for a Turk, Fatty a do taekwondo.
Get it out, right? Just press up, get a bigger so we can.
Fatty with the black belt, what going?
Somebody come and look at this.
Yeah.
Look at this.
I want to get them girl left. I want them looking for.
Never had been seen this yet.
Somebody come and look at this.
Jesus Christ.
Look at this.
It's still up.
Fatty kill him, man.
You have problem, right?
You know look good.
To a go on the world, I know. You better you go your bed.
Oh, him get up. Him get up, Fatty.
Go hard, the man will tell me they need man.
So what happened right here so is this man come home, come catch a next man with him girl.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
I say, I lift up and come get him out that park, I say. Tournament park.
Perfect.
Bad dog, I lift up and kill a bona man.
Bumbleclad. Hold him, daddy.
Damn, man.
Hold him, daddy. I'm a mascot. Hold him, daddy. Hold him, daddy.
To a go on the world, I know. You better you go your bed.
cachare che se la portarono la hormiga. Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
Perfect. You better you got your bed.
Look at this.
Let me get a plyboard for you. I'm going to for a plyboard, I can use it. What you think? You don't answer me. Hog brain. You me asking hog brain? Hog brain. Perfect. Yeah, man. You too.
Hog brain, I watch too much Fast and Furious, brother.
Yeah, man. You too stuff.
Welcome to the Twilight Zone, where we don't have G.I. Joe, we have G.I. Jerry. Yeah, Jerry like in a Tom and Jerry, cause a cartoon alone I see them sitting here now.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this.
我的螳螂拳，你见识过？螳螂拳只有一型，让你见识见识少林的十形拳。
Poor Patsy.
Sanja me a go over. Patty man it up here.
In a life, when you drop, just get up back and thump the person who have video. Patsy, watch that person there. Clearly, a long time she wants you drop. Me I tell her, just...
Hello guys, welcome back to another video. I don't know if there's a reaction video of today. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, leave your thoughts in the comment section. You've heard the phrase, a hungry man is an angry man. Well, a angry man is this fella right here.
Party boy, I give man so much blood. Never suck.
Him now wake up on the wrong side of bed this morning. Him wake up on the wrong side of life.
Hey, Kando. Say, I wanna play with me and so me ugly.
I'm a mascot.
Well, if a hungry man is a hungry man, guess who didn't eat no breakfast?
Your mama man, yo. They are follow man, so you fuck man. Come on, come say one. Fuck man. Your mother party boy, you your man.
Bleach now, bleach now.
Yeah. Fuck your mother.
People, I know it seems as if the coronavirus is kicking our asses right now, but I'll have you know, the tables are about to turn. We have officially launched our coronavirus strike force.
Not going to be a shootout corona. I don't care how far or near it is. Mileage, we reached it from a distance.
Yes, you heard right. Special trained soldiers with special weapons. Take a look.
Also. Yeah. What that? Banana? Alright. Check it out. Bullet, bullet, bullet. Alright. Bamboo, bamboo, bamboo. Alright.
People, you have to remember, so we have to look out for elderly then. Speaking about elderly, I wonder how it's looking for this particular one.
You good like me? You good looking like me? Something alright. You handsome like me?
No, be there, just be there.
You handsome like me? Must have dopey bat.
Where's it?
You're bat dopey.
Well, it seems like everything is looking good over here.
Instead of dopey bad, you good looking like me. Look at me. Handsome sweet boy, I kill all 6 black girls. Mascot. Circus you want go. You good looking like me.
You ever heard the term drop like a ripe breadfruit? Well, let me introduce you to ripe bread.
Raw born idiot.
Bet say you couldn't tell me how I go on.
You know I'm heavy, yeah. And them other girl no ready.
Mascot.
Mama, although you never get to perform, it's a 10 from me here.
What that for?
Sorry.
Well, the blood clot can't stop. Let me go run. Asleep, you asleep.
No, someone was in front of me.
What the you do lie?
No, I don't.
You do lie.
No, I
You
don't.
fuck, a lie.
A donkey ran out in front of me.
A donkey.
Yeah.
A dog turn donkey.
Grandpa cut up over him sleep, man. A true thing, him shouldn't do that.
Watch me whip. What that for?
Kill it. Now watch me nay nay. Okay. Now watch me whip. Watch me nay nay.
Sorry with that. Sorry.
Be a fuck real wow.
Sorry.
You don't know why me pick it up and I make today. We go drive with you.
Alright, so it's just another day in Beverly Hills.
It's crazy. What time is it?
Am I even sure?
White people are yelling one another at them gatherings, drinking Hennessy, burning them bigot split.
Isn't this the overnight world?
Yeah.
We're
Welcome
here. To my world. The 6 is fucking real. Yeah, and that's loony.
And chewing all over them insults like, you know, like upper class people usually do.
Loony advance. Hello, mother suckers.
Ah, beautiful day, isn't it? Oh, my paper is here. It's a beautiful day to go and suck your mother, isn't it? Hello, George. Hello, suck your mother to you. Oh, a polite suck your mother to you, George. Benson. Oh, that's a lovely look at you today. You're looking like a squaddy of some sort. No, not the donut eating type, the Roman raisin kind. Nothing much to see here. Oh, Lex, you're going to just have to stick with the good morning. I never really liked you much.
Loony advance. Hello, mother suckers.
This was always like one of my worst fears. I jump over something and just miss and get an sleep under my ass.
Mascot.
Alright, so we know so when I did really want to see him bust up, but on too wicked man. If a man did bust up right there, so you know what trouble did it. Eh? You know, have to just remember say it was a YouTube video and then everything we play and this somebody get bust up or something figure up, even though if him did get a job.
Say yes. Wow.
No, this a brother here proposed to girlfriend in a public, like girlfriend did tell him say she like him.
Wow. Say yeah.
A mascot.
When you hear the man in our background go, yes.
Wow.
At last. If it is my money, said no. Crazy. He came out of my proficiency bill. If I damn shoot, bro. If I fucking shoot, if I shoot.
She said no.
It is my money. It is my food. He said no. Damn it. Fuck you, bro. Damn it.
Come up, we stand for the national anthem.
A mascot.
Let me out there.
Hello guys, you don't know. From you see me, you don't know. It was a reaction video. Alright, from you have not yet subscribed, just hit the subscribe button now. And you know you hit the notification bell so that's when we post future videos you can get them notification like bam. If you comment, if you likes, if you like this video and enjoyed it and you find it funny, bam. I get right into the video. Oh, I introduce myself. My name is
Mascot.
now imagine big girl like you. Serious, so just did a ears feel look a dragon suit what she buy, you know what I mean? Yeah. You know, a good dragon African Spitfire for Hosey, yeah. What she thinking? What?
Chorus.
Idea of this contraption of this. Look, I'm gonna continue to get lame jokes like this for the rest of the video. So if you don't like it, me I tell them straight up go.
Wash your hand, people. See you, Lord. $50 wash your hand, people. Me have lifestyle.
Go wash your hand. Wanna think me that's it. When I continue to get lame jokes like this, so if you don't like it, me I tell them straight up go.
Wash your hand.
And it's a reasonable price that too.
Who not get it yet, see the people. $50 wash your hand, people. Cheap. Nobody catch corona, people. Me have alcohol, me have wipes, me have sanitizer. Come, people, see you, Lord. $50 wash.
No man, it come like my school months class when me that go school.
Have 4 acre melon.
Cause when me that think me that go mass class, me that got different cars.
2 over there so and 3 run a rich pen.
You know I have to go update my dictionary. Cause it look like a number of them get new meaning or something, you know.
Have 4 acre melon. 2 over there so and 3 run a rich pen. 2 over there so and 3 run a rich pen.
A mascot.
Who's she? Expert answer now? Come, expert. Yeah, my man. Who is she? Yeah. Who me is? Who is she? Who she is?
You play music, you don't understand no.
So, our expert what is?
Expert
wife.
Expert wife. Don't tell me I am not ground. You're crazy. But take out after who we did. You're getting on. Come here.
Alright, I'm soon get back to the video. Just give me 1 minute. My research what she just say a while ago in Google. Google Translate. Bing, what else she say? Nothing. Alexia, translate.
No, see me and him on the ground. You're crazy. But take out after prep we did. You're getting on. Come here, Rose. Come here, my baby. Where's that girl? Come here. Expert, come here. Come here.
We shouldn't even have make joke about them thing in the first place. Shouldn't have laugh off of them something.
The expert will answer Rose, because expert now answer. Expert and the girl then not answer you. All this. All this? Hello, tell them me come from. Me not afraid of no girl around here. Me beat up a girl, what do you? Me my money you want take? Full of chat, I mean, I take it back. Them I wonder if I really green.
No. Capucci.
Capucci.
Capucci. Why? Why Capucci? Why? Why Capucci? Why?
Capucci come.
Yeah, blessing. I mean, I put on my savings balance also.
How much money that? How much money that again?
No.
How much money that again?
So.
How much money?
10,000.
Can't even watch this. Tell me how it go.
Well, look for the money again.
20,000.
Which Capucci, calm down. Look at the money and tell you how much money you get a while ago.
Capucci.
Wood. That wood. 100,000. 100,000.
No, Capucci. Capucci come.
Yeah, blessing. I mean, I put on my savings balance also.
How much money that? How much money that again?
No.
How much money that again?
So.
How much
That was legitness. Yeah, it was, huh?
money?
10,000.
Well, look for. Scored. The money again.
20,000.
No, which Capucci, calm down. Look at the money and tell you how much money you get a while ago.
Wood. That wood. 100,000. 100,000.
No, Capucci.
Alright, you see now? You no trouble me no trouble you. You know, universe continue balance out and everything. The stars them shine, breeze blow. You know, everything just exists peacefully and that's how the universe works. But
No, we are deal with it. No, we are deal with it. Coming around.
Hello? Hey, let me out! Let me out! Jesus! Let me out there! Hey! Yeah, you go out the door! Watch your what? Let me out! Hey! Stop!
From morning, you are trouble me, I'm not trouble nobody.
welcome back guys, it's another reaction video and if you're not subscribed yet, just subscribe now, hit the notification bell so you can get the new video when them post. Alright, so I'm gonna switch it up a little. No, another type of switch there. Yeah, we used to do fights and them thing there. But YouTube have a problem with the fighting. So until we find out how to fix that ish, we're gonna do some cussing. Everybody cuss. Whether even from your grandmother. Speaking of grandmother.
So gosh, I mean grandma can deal with the driver so.
No, I told me that.
And you never been a fool?
No, me go carry you.
Idiot. Yeah, you know, sir.
No, when me carry you go down there, so you go down there. Mama blood clean. Listen, me go carry you down there, so I'm gonna take the boy $100.
Me nah do it.
Yes, just for fucking do it.
Poor driver, I feel it for the driver, eh? You notice how smooth the bad road, so when she cuss it, years of practice. You can imagine how much driver she have to practice one to get it on. So.
Carry you go down there, so you go down there. Mama blood clean. Listen, me go carry you down there, so I'm gonna take the boy $100.
Me nah do it.
Yes, just for fucking do it. Mamba blood clean. 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 Mamba blood clean.
Yo, I feel it for the driver. Poor driver. Yo, you saw neat grandma customer road there, you can tell how much that you have to practice.
No. Turn them. I just don't want to shop
you imagine how much that the driver still have to practice.
It's a fucking $100 bumbo blood dog. See shop this one. It's a fucking $100 bumbo blood dog. Bumbo blood dog. Put on me. Bumbo blood dog. Bumbo blood dog. Idiot. Turn one eye down. Idiot.
Yo, why all people have to so miserable? Some of us stay on with it all.
No, me go carry you.
Idiot. Yeah, you know.
You have to find miserable all man.
When me carry you, put on the same
Them normally young or frost somewhere on bar. I want to
me go
YouTube
carry
video
you.
like
So I'm
this.
gonna take the boy
Yo, a grandma the true victim right there, so you know. A grandma want him turn go down there so, go round there so, down there so, round there so she can pay and that's all.
Good on me. If you're not good on me.
You right,
Come
done.
now.
You right.
Come now.
You right, done. Make a church.
Me say you people at church I go but good on them, then give you $100 make up your church here. Church money. Come now, man. In long time you try to play you don't get this.
Me nah go down there, man.
Oh God. Come now, man. Idiot. When you are idiot, you are idiot. You are fucking idiot. Tell me go there to shot this up. Them a wait for the street so that them a go give you $100. No fucking joke. Just tell me.
Think fucking right.
No, me not wreck this thing. Beg you a cake about you. Come now, man. You not say that reach me and get you money.
Me nah go, man. Me can't go.
Bamba blood clot.
You think grandma easy? Grandma need I go know it down there so round there so down there. No, back with the boy. That's cool. I was going to go here. I will tell the doctor some bullshit excuse like.
Take it back down.
I like it. Grandma sleep for her room. So you mean grandma? Yeah.
Close the physique, man. How do you hold man, man?
Go help me up.
Alright, so what we did I talk about again? Cussing though. Cussing is an art. It's a technique, it's a skill. With much practice, you can master it and cuss anybody. Not only do you have to master the words or the lyrics, but you have to master the kinetic energy and the movements part that like you know the movements like yeah, them shit there. Me can't cuss, cussing enough for me. I can't cuss. But you have some people where born with the talent, but just God-given talent, them born for cuss.
Place flood out. Everything
no,
in the...
No, hold on. Tell me, you were in, what happened? You read that?
Alright, promise the she, you know, so you know for join no cussing with she, you know. She come like them. You know when you watch a Chinese show, them have Kung Fu, but you always have the old person there when master Kung Fu and all like ticket technique. That's a she.
Yes, Rosie and her family were sleeping. Waking up, feel water and waking up. Right through the house, through the bathroom, through every door, kitchen door, every door.
Yo, the way the woman start is like a cameraman show on, cause the cameraman have to stop her and like him say, yo, easy, my man of media, cause you know.
Place flood out. Everything
no,
in the...
Hold on. Tell me, you were in, what happened? You read that?
The place flood out.
Our family were sleeping. Everything in the house flood out. When me talk about everything. No bed, no there for sleep on. Settee, where you could have rest in a phone, where you could have make phone call and video for sure. Everything flood out. I want back every single piece
so
of
what happened when you was sleeping?
Yo, me I watch this.
Yeah.
I'm start to feel like I'm me responsible for flooding.
When spring screaming for water, when you jump up and the water, like Elsha, that type of water was there. I want back everything. Cause I will live here at Sunlight Street from here 2 months old. Just born out of my mother. Left here. From me at 29, me left Sunlight Street at Lower. Me never have been seen my yard flood out yet. Or any house in the carpet area in Sunlight Street flood out yet. Never had been seen this yet. I there here before my maiden take and we never see it yet. So anybody see them lie, how we never see it yet. I want back everything. Laptop, phone, everything. I fight for
you. That's some award-winning performance this, you know.
One flood, I want back everybody. Name brand furniture, name brand bed, and name brand car. Everybody flood out, I want back everything. So baby can't catch meningitis. And shit water and gully water. The baby from my baby, my nephew baby will come up. She flood out too with her baby, nice, pretty, clean skin baby them.
Rosie, yeah, news people are more SR waiting. Look, no matter where you go, you go stand in front of the news camera to them. What matters is that you do your best. People go for the news, go make a fool of themselves all the time. What matters, and plus, the contractor have to buy what furniture after yeah. Laura.
And I have 30 grand bed in there and a 30 grand dresser.
Laura.
And I have 30 grand bed in there and a 30 grand dresser.
Now go make Jamaica proud and the contractor know what say. You want back your furniture then.
Sounding, we need justice, real justice. We need 30 grand bed in there and a 30 grand dresser. And a 30 grand fridge and a 30 grand rack. Justice we need. Justice we need. One back of furniture. And a 30 grand bed in there and a 30 grand. And a 10 grand night table. Touch love. The contractor. We need the contractor. Fida. Roach love. Everybody. Flat scream in there. Butterfly start at the place. Two baby there, they don't look good. Justice, we need justice over the yard there and the other yard. We need it. Can't you see the condition? We want justice.
Alright, so we all know that cussing is a woman's sport, right? Real man no cuss.
Come here for the f***ing infrastructure up in my bomber clock on the f***ing toxic because I want to come in there and have blood clot come out back. See one girl.
You hear what I say? Real man no cuss. I never say nothing about.
Boiler spring, cassava piece, cancer spring, blood clot, dirty girl, a road truck a fly pan, barstool, journey big dirty blood clot.
Observe, you know like when a gun song a start, like one of them Batman song, gun song, killing song, and the artist start off by a name of the place, them like yo, Roxford, Maxfield, you know them call some bad place. Listen, tell me if you never find it.
Boiler spring, cassava piece, cancer spring, blood clot, dirty girl, don't pussy, rubber barstool pussy, come suck up the last blood clot.
Alright, yeah, so when you come across somebody like this, you have to know when to give up the battle and just, you know, make them go on with the pack of jars. Someone have got things differently, you see. Well, not really. I would say who are going this.
I don't run a jerk off for myself, big one.
And that you feel the dirty boy.
Stinking dirty pussy. You look at me spitting on your
You can't do that a bomber clot. You can't do that, so just hold this.
You look at me spitting on your pussy whole place.
Don't drunk and you can't do that.
Drunk a clot, me a dirty girl. Yourself you're living. If you're looking at you, see no so much condom.
Yes!
Where you put my man
when your body turn on, remember see a car you have been right now.
Your conductor, you tell me now. All your conductor, I got you.
I can't, you have been.
You can't me have him?
Yeah.
You stink and it
You
is
have been and you still not.
I say, listen, me rather jerk by myself and fuck.
Me tell you say your body have been.
Me rather masturbate than fuck a dirty like you.
And you are the most
stinking one girl. You must get left the door open enough. I mean, I want to all about that. Lock it in your back. Driver. Lock it again, a big hole, girl.
Driver.
You know, the girl don't get too bright, so I'm going. I do my best. I want the girl a pussy figure, so the girl a stinker.
Stinking dirty pussy.
So, you know, a couple jerk off argument or something.
I'm gonna jerk off for myself, big one. You know?
Basically, do my best. Okay? So, hopefully after watching this video, I went from this to this.
Chill the fuck out. Why you watching out my life? Like, what do I have that y'all grudge me for? You see me? Stop bad-minded thing. Go suck your mother. And if you don't like how me attack, feel free to just delete my blood clot and leave me alone. You see me? Cause me have better things to do. My study I go to college. You see me? My study I go to college to be a veterinarian. We don't got time for your blood clot.
You see, if you like the video, just subscribe, leave a comment, share it and everything. Hit the notification bell.
Hey, if you're new to this channel, I would just like you to hit that subscribe button. If you're not, I would just like you to hit that notification bell. Check out the channel with lots of other awesome content. You can find us at you can find me on Instagram at Tata Skits. I do comedy sketches and yeah. So that's it.